Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful alphabet letter G. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. To do this letter G, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, double crochet and slip stitch. We will do two pieces of this letter and then we will join them together using slip stitch to form like this beautiful letter G. So now let's see how to do them. Do the letter O. You are going to start with a slip knot. Do 28 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 28 chain. 1, 2, 3. After doing 28 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, you are going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet increase. That is, you are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Do one more double crochet in the same stitch. So you are going to repeat this pattern for 3 more times. That is, do 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. You have to do this for 4 times. We have done already for 2 times. So you have to repeat this for 2 more times. After doing them, it looks like this. You will be having 12 double crochet stitches. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch for 7 stitches. After doing double crochet in each stitch for 7 stitches, it looks like this. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. And next stitch, double crochet increase. That is, you are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. You have to do this for 4 times. So we have done for 1 time. You are going to do this for 3 more times. 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Totally, you will be having 12 double crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next stitch, you are going to do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch, you are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. And next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So after doing them, the letter G looks like this. By following the same pattern, you are going to do one more piece. So now we have done 2 pieces of letter G. Next, we are going to join them. We will place one on the top of the other like this. So insert the hook in the first stitch. Here, insert it in the next stitch. Here, take the yarn which you are going to join them. Pull through, chain 1. You are going to do a slip stitch. So insert in the next stitch. You are going to join them using slip stitch. So likewise, you are going to do slip stitch in each stitch on the borders of this G. So it looks like this. You will be doing them around like this way till you reach this end. So let's see how it looks after doing them. After joining both the pieces using slip stitch, the alphabet letter G looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.